Hey everyone, Jeff here. Hey, we got all of the BOGO deals are finally loading up. They were actually operational early this morning. I want to take a look into all of these for you. So we're going to look at the Milwaukee ones, the Ryobi, the Ridgid. I showed you one of the DeWalt ones last night, and we're going to show you a couple of Makita deals. Some of you may not have all of these set up in your store yet. So this is why I'm telling you, like I said last night with the DeWalt, get them online now while you can, and you can either have them shipped to your house or to the store. So let's take a look at Milwaukee first. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so the first one I see right here, and I could tell because see, they haven't even finished loading up the pictures yet. It's still fresh, hot off the presses. So what kit is this that we're looking at? So this is it right here. So this kit has the 1/2-inch hammer drill driver, and it's got the 1/4-inch hex impact driver and the 2 XC 5.0 batteries, the charger, and the hard case, which is nice. So this is the 2-tool combo kit, and it's priced at $399. But at this price, you're getting a free gift with purchase. So if you click on the orange arrow there, you can choose between any of the items that you want to get here. So there you go. I've already populated mine. I put the router in there, and we've already added it to the cart. You would come down here and say add both to cart. And now let's go look at the cart and see how it looks in here. And so you can see they're still trying to get things populated, but it did honor the price. So it's got, as it broke things down, $399 total. It applied $275 towards the kit and $123 towards the router. If you returned the router, you would likely get only $123.57 back. I believe this would be your hack price. Now, if you keep both, you simply pay the $399. Now, here it shows what the subtotal would have been. It would have been $578. See this right over here? And then because you're getting the tool for free, the router, you're saving $179, and of course free shipping, and your total is $399 here. So here's the first of the Milwaukee deals. Okay, so what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to put the link directly into this main tool savings page for you. And then I will put links into each of the manufacturers here below for you. And then as, for example, this main page, and then as we find each of these individual deals for the BOGOs, I'll put links to those individually as well. All of that will be in the video description below, so you'll easily be able to find them. And just as a disclosure, folks, every time we give you links into Home Depot and Amazon, those are paid affiliate links, which we hope you will use to buy your tools. And we thank you for supporting our channel that way. That's what helps us to continue to bring you much more high quality content and tool review videos. And of course, don't forget those tool giveaways, folks, because we're doing another one this week. Okay, the other deal we want to look at is right here. This is the battery starter kit. So there you go. You got 2 XC 5.0 batteries with a charger and a contractor bag. So right off the bat, they're saving $100 off of the kit itself. But then you also get the free gift with the purchase here, just like I just showed you with the 2-tool combo kit. So there's a couple of different ways you can acquire these buy one, get one free tools. You can either buy the battery kit or that 2-tool multi-kit that I just showed you. Okay, so again, let's say we choose the jigsaw here. So right now I'm going to select the jigsaw right there, and you can see it populated it over here. So I'll close this window out now, so we're ready. And then come down here, add both to cart. Let's view the cart. If I want to remove these other two out of here, just so we can see what's happening in there. Oh, that's what. Okay, so the issue here with Home Depot, guys, is they will not give you deals on multiple BOGOs. You have to do them one at a time. So that's why I had to remove the other deal that was already sitting in there, right? So once you do that, then you'll see what really happens. They take that $199 and they split it. So half of it goes to the jigsaw, the other half goes to the battery. So if you were to hack this deal by returning the battery pack, they'll only give you $99.50 back, not the full $199. So that would mean that your average price on this jigsaw is now $99. And it's normally a $200 tool. And you can see it confirms everything here for you. Free tool deal applied, blah, blah, blah. This whole deal would have been $498 if you had paid full retail value before yesterday. And the savings is $299 on this. Why is it that? Because they're already lopping $100 off of the starter kit, and then they're giving the free tool, which is another $199. So that's how they arrive at $299. So there's your total. Now, don't forget, here at Home Depot for this Black Friday sale, this Milwaukee M12 battery kit is also back on again for buy one, get one. So let's see what tools we can get for free with this one. Do we have any lights? Any lights? We do. We have the M12 rocket light. So this just came off a sale over the summer. We just had that deal. I'm going to select this since it's the most expensive item on the list here and add both to the cart. And remember, when we go to view the cart, we're going to have to remove the previous deal out of there if I want to see the special here. It looks like it might have given it to us, but let me just double check. So you want to make sure you're double checking that, checking the math and everything and looking what the amounts should be. So here's your battery pack here. So it broke it down 104 to the battery pack and 94.24 to the light. So if you hack this deal and bring back this M12 battery kit, this entire kit, and return it, they're only going to give you 104.76 back, but it will average down your price of the rocket light right there to $94.24. People. However, you're getting a kick butt deal here with these two 6.0 amp hour batteries. These are XC, and when you're using the M12 Lite, I always tell people my two minimum batteries are the XC 4.0. The smaller batteries will drain in no time on you. So you want to make sure you're getting the highest capacity batteries you can to go in these lights. I would keep this kit. I'm not going to spend all day going in and out of every one of these deals on here, but just remember, once I give you that link to this main Milwaukee page, you can find them easily. Okay, next up on the bill, folks, let's go check out Makita. Now, not all of their deals are up and running or loaded yet. There's some that are in store where you can get 2 free tools, but let's show you what we have online at least. Okay, so this deal right here, there's no BOGO on this one, but they are taking $117 off. This is $299 for this 6-piece kit. If I'm not mistaken, this is the same kit they had over the summer that got down pretty good in price like this, and they were disappearing pretty fast. Okay, so here's our battery kit deal. So again, they don't have all of the pictures loaded up. So what you're getting here is the charger, and you're getting 2 4.0 amp hour batteries. And just like the other ones, hey, look, second verse, same as the first. You go here, you pick your tool that you want to get. Some people like the blower, some people want the grinder. Anyway, once you, all of the menus act the same as what we've showed you before. Just select the item. Success, it says. It's populated. Let's add them to the cart. And let's go see real quick what it did. So we're just going to breeze through this. So you can see how it split it up here. $100 went to the battery pack and $78 went here to the grinder. So if you return this battery pack and hack the deal, man, you'll end up only paying $78 for this grinder. So you can see over here the summation. This would have been a $318 total deal before today. And now with that $139 savings, because we chose the grinder, and that's free. Now we're only paying $179. And so this is another one a lot of people were looking for too. The rear handle, 7 1/4 inch circ saw. Again, they don't have all of the pictures up, but you can see what it looks like. So this one here is $100 off. Now we've showed you this deal in the store before. I think we had this at Father's Day as well. So not only, folks, this is such a kick butt deal, because not only is this deal $100 off, again, you're getting a free tool, just like we showed you before. Not going to go all the way through, but you understand how it works by now. Now, the other Home Depot Black Friday tool deal for Makita is this is the 2-tool combo kit. It comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries in a bag. So this kit is somewhat discounted by about $30, but they're also doing the buy one, get one. So again, we'll put links to all of these deals for you down below in the video description. And then you can scroll through all of these deals yourself and make sure to check all of the pages that they have here at the bottom, see? And find which deals you want and look for those BOGOs, folks. Yeah, so here's DeWalt's deal. And theirs is with the 6 amp hour battery and the 4 amp hour battery. Again, they're not showing all of the pictures here either. They're missing one. So this is $199, and we showed you this before where your tools come up and you choose your tool that you want. So you know how that works. Okay, so you know what to do. You know how to take it from here with DeWalt. Let's go check out Ridgid. Yeah, so right off the bat, we see that deal here on the table saw. I have the older version of this, and it's been a great saw for me. So they've got $150 off down to $399. Okay, so you can scroll through Ridgid looking for other deals. Now, we didn't see any buy one get ones in here yet, so they might not be loaded yet. We're not sure if they're going to be any. I didn't see any on the signs that they were setting up in the stores. So we'll have to come back and revisit this one. Okay, let's go check out Ryobi. I know there was a couple of deals that I wanted to show you that we had found yesterday that went live. So right here as part of the Home Depot Black Friday Ryobi tool deals, we have the 2-pack of the 4.0 amp hour batteries. Now these are $79. It's a better price than we normally see during Ryobi days at the beginning of the summer, where you buy the 2-pack for $99 and then you get a free tool. But so you are getting a better deal during Ryobi days. But at least if you just need to score a couple of batteries, you're getting them at a decent price. Okay, so now I want to look at these two HP brushless kits. So these are the ones that come with the HP batteries, which are the higher performance. So let's see, because this kit right here, this is the 2-tool combo kit. This has the drill driver, okay, and the impact driver. Now, these come with the 1.5 amp hour HP. Is it HP? Yeah, it is. Well, it says it is. I don't see it on the battery, but usually the HPs are indicated a different color. But anyway, if you buy this 2-tool combo kit, again, you get a free tool. You get another battery. That's all they're offering right now. So that's one deal. Here's their 6-tool kit. So this thing is down $100 from $299 down to $199. And scrolling down further, here's the deal I posted last night on our community tab. This is a great deal right here. What you're looking at here is these are the two 4.0 amp hour batteries. These are the HP batteries, the higher performance. And so normally you get this for about $150 for the two batteries, but they just dropped it to $99. Now this says new lower price, so this might be the new price going forward. We don't know. But still, these are a great deal. And we hardly ever see these in our store. We hardly ever see the 2-pack. And we even hardly ever see the regular HP batteries here in our store. We normally see the regular batteries. So to get a score like this, some of you may not see it in your store, and you might have to just buy it here online. Okay, so there's many more Ryobi deals that you can find as well. They did lower the price here of the cutoff tool from $99 down to $89. So when I bought this last year and we did that tool review video on it, this was $99. So it's at least $10 cheaper than it was before. Well, that's it for these deals, folks. As we find more, we'll definitely update you, and we'll see you later, and happy shopping.